we think for people. And then they say, oh, Akufo-Addo buy onyashi. Akufo-Addo buy onyashi. And then me sure you say kanaho baby, me nimu mwakraho. Kanaho baby, usha bed in biasi wa. You see out of DMD center. Kakraka. Usan sure you say Kaneshi Rodo. Rodo aneye one lane since independence. Everything there. Akufo-Addo nti and a double lane. But I Sami Jensen NDC for what me dream and nipa bi hu. Ama ubi so bia. And I would see me bra. Akufo-Addo dey what disappoint you. Ye arade die ni. Number bisa no say, e die na Akufo-Addo kan so obeya amawa. Obaye onye ya what disappoint you. The nipa no be ka che me say, na wo dey unti say okokro obi ase oman no moye de me say. Wo Sabato me say. Who say why you disappointed in Akufo-Addo? A dear na Akufo-Addo, utu abama nunti, and obaya onye ye, ama why you disappointed. Or say, media dabia, a man for Kase Krumo, the enemy say, sister, who your nurse and utu abama Akufo-Addo 2016, say, or see oba restore nursing training allowance. Oba, no, while restore now, restore or see or restore ye, me say good. Who say the same nurse in the 1 year school, me boy, who see Annie. 2020 utu abama hwan o se metuma MPP Akufo-Addo adentra o se metuma no se on post me na me say na nya wo nso na ya bie mo portal ya mo akokọ film application a ye ba be family o se ane nti dia na kire se Akufo-Addo no wa disappoint you na me pa no gina ho just because people are thinking for her, just because people are thinking for him, and then they say that be a Sami Jensen press conference. Akufo-Addo, Okuomo, Okuyo, Omanumu, and Onyeshio. Because the more now our cancer send several times, they are thinking for some people, and then ubisa journalists will be almost say, or my moya dinia diadeno. Ubisa no say, Onimsa Akufo-Addo ba ye. Wa employ a nurse for about 130 something thousand and now no more 2014 15 batch 2012 batch 2013 batch 2014 2015 2016 batch on ninsa Akufo-Addo afa omo na o say ai Akufo-Addo afa omo inti e dey na che say Akufo-Addo no NDC the same because John Mama dey eja asa for batch so because on the man no ko say IMF and the reason the other coin say only policy credibility Obikasa mani monya asa. Ni monya mbemo.
Ani say ensem de who nim sano pa o meta ese otabe join na uma Ghana 14 some no.
Okay. Mami fancy wa in just 1 minute. Mami fancy wa abosuafo ndie me pese me kakosi no nyina ne say. Me kase mo anim wa onim panye bia kase na nim ka che ne say me the graph ya barima preko me nya obi a me nko amanfo school bi me ni degree bia me degree na ya hwie nyansa common and traditional way of thinking eno ano no de me ka kire o mo ne say mon ka kire o mo say me the graph see o mo agai MPP communicators or mon kasa ni MPP aban panyefo you see aban panyefo posting their pictures on platforms and Facebook, but they'll not take a picture of Akufo-Addo project. Why Kumasi or see I creative art school. Who say why?
Social media good one must say, and I also have to social media and pata bet as I'm no man in a deep part in the position. And Krana police station, a just of my twat, and Momo a Jama Chidi, and I'm a party. Let me the
Mammy, Abosia for what lies will be a part of your follow me on Facebook. Your friend the graph ya very much prep and I'm a fellow. Patrol, who follow me a share me Facebook. There will not be more than 3 days. Let me post a project of Akufo-Addo. But me pay appointment to be on my appointment and say a better policy, sir. A hoba ban for so I'm a Ghana for na me a America and I'm who told me. That's what I'm looking for. Now, wow, yeah, DC, wow, yeah, MP, wow, yeah, minister, no, Udia, Unia, program. Programs na wako na watcha whole picture uni maya ni mrante selfie na udi ababa to but meanwhile program na ko ya no ye ko commission project sa picture no umfan to ho enka say Akufo-Addo asset tomato factory e wo Brekum meanwhile ko ho e ma ye ko commission ye umfan to ho say Akufo-Addo asset market e wo Brekum unye ye uko ya ko commission say Akufo-Addo aye asphaltic roads e wo Brekum no wan twa sa asphalt no anfa meto ho udi nam ho the America cousin say, look, Abosiafo awo me meka se so say, utwa oketrema etutu enwa wi a onwi nambia. Na sa udi abufuo beka say, MPP buy me nyafi obra wo fa se bia anya nursing training allowance. Akufo-Addo buy me nyafi obra na wadu an say of fridge mo na ensa bio. Akufo-Addo buy me nyafi obra o enjoy benchmark value say wa broche. Minia, sa uya mistake na udi abufuo tena fie. Na yekoto abana MPP losu 2024 ubeka unsa no sei na watia mo se agye se biota frache jimie be na majimie na emo miminim se meye general secretary ana meye chairman ewo opposition dia meye messenger ewo government in power dia mane beje musonfo the graph medam asenya menka mo ho
why de waka say ye
that's pa Yankopon power, that's it.
Painful.
Said me do a church, pa be 2018 or so then I'm sure say me follow on Facebook.
All right. And me so me that was it. Nti obi an follow me pesa wo say ye de no ma no gu ho. Na ye krampo na sabi o ye ni Ghana ho no. Ye tra me sabato ni me timi tra computer ho e. Me po adwuma na jote ene me ba me 16 hours no. Me po anajo 10 na medrufi afi na me ba betra YouTube ni Facebook akwa say Akufo-Addo this week project ben oye ye ni ade na me hu sa mo si tesio se de road no a one lane since independence hwe me connect ya nka mama mo hwe ade bi wo ha me sheda me ba me nua me sheda esen ni ma nipa 2 e wo Ghana say they should verify say sa ade we no kre ochina na da obeye project bia obeye program no me ba make message no a kire. And I'm like, what? Maybe in a conclusion, me and said, then, if these are true, and the MPP, a communication, a party appointees, any party members, no, and we are terribly useless. That's the word I use with the conversation with the Ayamiya. I was here for Obin Kasa be meeting. Why? Me wala no so meeting.
Some I blood the draft a kai. Ayamiya say MPP for MPs ne. And penning for party offices, no. Matsina wama and Roma teachma because so party tina power for 20 years, sir. Etia wubenya juma biaye. Sa afi we wanya office antena. Afi foforo bia na wanya office antena. Enti ada ya me ho kwa na party ni tina power dance. Obi se me party aba power me pese me nya de menya bia na me. Me de wa ma power bia ma me mfa ho. Sa atwene ne champion